I absolutely love how beautiful this pot turned out. The color variegation, the variety of the greenery, the flowers spilling over the edge, shapes and sizes and colors. This is kind of like a fern greenery. It's a rubberized texture. You've got such a variety of greens and movement in these. These silk flowers just spill over the edge, and the purples and the reds. And there's these dainty little white flowers as well. The lavender sticks out all over. It's the tallest of all the flowers. Aren't these darling? I just really love the variety that this artificial planter set gives you. I think the best part about it is how adjustable it is, how much you can customize it and shape it, how it's such a full, lush look with so much texture in the end. UV resistance for outdoor durability, the realistic petals with the silk and the rubberized texture. And once you stick them in, virtually no maintenance. You get this planter without the watering, no seasonal replanting for busy homeowners. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.